Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can add clickable hyperlinks to your documents on Google Docs. So let's get right into it. Head over to Google Docs, and what you want to do, guys, is simply mark the part of your text you would like to add a hyperlink to with your left mouse. So let me go with that header here. And what you want to do after that is right click on that part and select insert from the drop down menu. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl K alternately. That is going to open up that small window here where you will be given the opportunity to paste the URL or the destination page's URL here into that search bar. So let me go, for instance, with a Pinterest pin, like just for the sake of this tutorial. You may add any links you like to your documents, like URLs leading to YouTube videos or videos on TikTok or to your own website, e-commerce store, etc., etc. So simply paste it here, confirm by clicking on apply here, and there you go. As you can see now, that part of my text is highlighted and we see the hyperlink below. So if I click on it, I'm going to get redirected to the destination page with one click of my mouse. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.